So we are now here with Sasha. Sasha participated in the contest last year as well. And how many times did you participate in the contest?
This is actually my fourth time participating.
Wow. And can you tell us a bit about your project this year?
Yeah, sure. So this year I constructed a coil gun, and I actually got the idea by reading a lot of science fiction. You probably know what a coil gun is as well. And I actually got the idea. I saw it and I was like, yeah, sure, I now want to build it. And then I did a little research, and I spent like the last year trying to perfect it. And yeah, that's where we are today.
Okay, really interesting. And did you encounter any difficulties during your project?
Oh yeah, like many difficulties, because for example, I had this function over here, and I was trying to figure out the approximate velocity at which the projectile would exit from the barrel itself, and I had like a lot of problem with the calculation, and a lot of problems with wrapping the coils. It was an entire learning curve. So yeah, I had a lot of problems. I encountered a lot of problems. Yeah.
Okay, I get it. And as a recurring participant to the contest, do you have any advice for like anyone that wants to take part in the contest next year, maybe?
Sure, don't procrastinate. I guess that's the best advice I could give all of you. Because if you procrastinate, then you'll eventually find yourself, doing everything last moment, and your project won't be as good as it could have been at the beginning.
Okay, and do you think you will be participating for the 5th time next year?
Yeah, 5th time's the charm, as they say. So yeah, I'm going to participate, and probably I'm either going to improve this one or I'm going to pursue another project.
Thank you so much, Sasha.